welcome to my home. Guys, I finally made it to Florida. It's actually been like 3 days since I got home, but I was super sick right when I got back. So I have just been rotting in my bed, waiting to feel better, and I'm finally feeling better. So I'm gonna officially start the vlog. I've been recording a few things from the past few days that you'll see eventually in this video, but yeah, I just wanted to make a formal introduction for today's video. Today, I'm gonna be painting my room, and then I'll give you guys like a before and after and maybe a little bit of a room tour. And then right now I'm going to the beach, so I'll show you the beach as well. And yeah, come along for some Florida content. I'm so happy to be home and show you guys everything. It's gonna be amazing. I'm so happy. And yeah, here's my outfit for today. My hair is all nice and healthy now, back in Florida. I put like a coconut oil mask in it, so it kind of looks wet, but I'm also so sunburnt. I don't know if you can see that. I literally just was outside for a little bit yesterday and got completely burnt, so that's really painful. But yeah, let's go to the beach. Guess who's driving a new car? Teach me how to do it. Let me turn the volume down. I'm driving my new car. I just got the new car. This is gonna be later in the vlog. I don't know. The vlog is all messed up right now because I was sick, which you probably know, and you can see my sunburn. But I just got a new car. I'm so happy. It's a Toyota Corolla 2020, and it's got Bluetooth in it, so I can listen to music. And I'm obsessed. Okay, we're at a red light. This is my first time driving. I drove earlier for the test drive. This is my first time driving alone. It's kind of scary, and I look shocked. Look at this, it's bedazzled. All right, gotta go. I made it home. Guys, I'm actually radiating with happiness right now. If you can't see, the happiness is like coming out of my chest. Let me give you guys a car tour. I had to put my hat on because I'm so chopped right now. It's ridiculous. The good thing is I have a thing for my car. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. I have a thing for my car that I can put up here, put the GoPro in, so whenever I'm recording for wherever I go in the next few weeks, I can bring you guys along and it'll be great. So yeah, look at the car. I'm so happy. It's a 2020 Toyota Corolla. She got Apple CarPlay, and look, she's bedazzled. Whoever had this car before me was a baddie. So, just look at her. I'm so happy. She's white, she's clean. I love a Toyota, guys. I wasn't settling for anything else. And look at her. I am so happy. I'm so happy to be home.
Always been.
Yep, and now you'll have camera duty. We're on our walk to the beach.
My wristband?
Look at Mom's new wristband. Oh, it looks way better than the other one.
Oh yeah.
Very chic.
I still wish it was a little thing.
Chic. Look what I found. A snake, but it's dead, I hope. I think he got run over by a car. It's Florida for you. made it to the beach, guys, and it's beautiful today. Yesterday we went and it was a little choppier than it is now, but right now it's perfect and beautiful. Hello everybody, it's me at the beach. You can see how beautiful it is. I've been waiting months and months and months and months and months and months and months to come back here, and look at it, it's better than ever. So be prepared for a lot of beach content. It's gonna be great this summer, and yeah, look at that. We love it. Right, Mommy?
We love it.
Mommy's in the vlog. Okay, we made it home. We're gonna eat breakfast. Hey, Dad. Breakfast time. Say buongiorno to my vlog.
Hello, everybody.
This is my beloved dad.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
He's making breakfast.
Yes.
I'm
Look at it.
Starving.
Check it out.
Is that one yours, honey?
That's yours.
Oh,
Ooh, what's on there?
That's Jay's.
there's Jay's.
Just heat it up. Heat it up.
Getta per favore.
The what?
A fork? Do you have any forks?
Spoons. We use spoons.
No, I don't use spoons.
Yes.
Look at that. Eggs and bacon and cheese. Yum. Mangiamo.
Watering the flowers.
They look really good.
Yeah. 2 peppers, jalapeno, tomatoes, Italian pepper.
Italian pepper.
Italiano.
So pretty. And it smells so good. Yeah, I saw it. This is our garden, but we need to fix her up. But these flowers.
Oh, and that gardenia bush
so
actually
good.
finally bloomed.
Okay guys, we finished painting the first layer on the room, and it's currently lunchtime, so we're taking a break because we're tired and we're hungry. So we're gonna find something to eat. Mama! I have to formally introduce you guys to my children. Come here. Look at the mama kitty. Say hi. Oh my goodness. Such a good girl. So big and fat. And of course the other baby. This is her baby Sedona. Hi, pretty girl. So sleepy. Hey. Hey. Meow. All right, we're gonna find something to eat. And yeah. Girls, this is Jasper. Sweetie girl. They were hungry. They're all eating together. For lunch, I am having some fried rice. It's so good. Buon appetito. All right, we're taking a break, finished lunch. Now we're gonna go to Goodwill because I want to look for some paintings and see if they have anything cool there I could put in my room, because I'm changing the whole vibe of my room. And I kind of want to go for more of a beachy look. And I feel like sometimes they have really cute, like beach paintings or people's, you know, stuff. So we're gonna go look. find any paintings or anything for the room, but I did find this really cute shirt. It's a button-up, super cute, and 2 swimsuits. I'll have to try them on and make sure that they look cute, but also this one, super cute, and some sunglasses because mine broke. They're not exactly the same, but close enough. And then a Zillow cocktail shaker so that I can Zillow cocktail. And that's it. Now we're going home. Bye bye. Hello everybody, welcome back. It's the next day. It's Monday afternoon. Actually, it's not the morning. It's been a full day. You probably saw what I did earlier. Now I'm gonna walk to the beach for sunset because I feel like it'll be really pretty. So yeah, come to the beach with me. And here's my outfit. The top is from Lululemon. Bottoms are from Brandy. Sunglasses are from Goodwill. And I've decided to start vlogging on the phone because I kind of like it better. Yep, okay, bye. Checking the mail. Guys, I'm gonna do an Amazon unboxing haul for you. We got some essential oils. For some reason it's already open. It's not good. Peppermint, lavender, eucalyptus, lemongrass, and orange. Yum. And then my phone case. It's just a clear one. Some 35mm film. And then my new iPad cover. It's cute and it's pink. Let me open it. Cute. This is nice. So it'll open like that, and then it's got the keyboard right here and a little charger. I love it. Alright. That's it for the haul. Really? Hello, everyone. I'm outside right now eating some ice cream. It's mint chocolate. And it's so good. I got my swimsuit top on because I am about to use the automatic blower thing and get all the leaves off of the driveway. And I want to get tan. So I got my swimsuit top on. And then I'm gonna play some basketball so that I can get some exercise. And I've just been wanting to play basketball on the hoop. So you can see me hit some buckets.